YouTube, what's good, man? Checking in. Nick from NY, just checking in with y'all real quick. My first video ever. Whoever needs to hear this, yo, financial freedom is a must. That shit is mandatory, you hear me? Like, assets. I feel like we're wasting so much opportunity that we could just turn into assets. Like YouTube. If you really pay attention to YouTube, everybody's the regular person just trying to grind, throwing out their niche out there, and just making sense with it. YouTube is a big ass platform, bro, that we not really taking advantage of. You hear me? Like, we really gotta sit down, figure ourselves out, and start this content creation shit. This is the only way out. It's nothing else. You could work your job. Like, yeah, I know a lot of people is happy with their jobs and stuff, and there's no problem with that. But majority of the jobs are dead-end jobs. It's a never-ending cycle. I don't want to call it a rat race. It's not really a rat race, but there's no other way to explain it if you really think about it. You get me? If you got a niche, if you really good at something, YouTube is a platform that you gotta really be on. Come build your fan base, get your subscribers up. Like, I spent the last year, 2024, on Instagram. I made a theme page, and that really brought me some better opportunities. But then when life got real, we had to fall back and just really focus on the job, because that's what was bringing in the most income at the time. And it still is. Like, I'm not successful at anything I tried on the internet yet, but I think that's because I wasn't consistent enough. You get me? Consistency, discipline, that's what's needed to become successful. Once you know what you're doing and you're consistent at it and you're disciplined enough to keep doing it and keep up with it, success gotta follow. There's no way success can't follow after that. But yeah, man, we're wasting a lot of opportunities out here. 2025, everything is an asset. Once you make it, it's how you see it. We gotta start using the internet for a different purpose, other than entertainment. Like, it's too many consumers and not enough producers. You get what I'm saying? If you look at sodas like Pepsi and Coke, that's a competition. And half of the people gonna like Pepsi, half gonna like Coke. You get me? Even with anything is a competition. With cars, Honda versus Toyota, it's a competition. People have their different aspects on, different opinions on it. You can't just have one. That's why we need multiple streams of income. And I'm not talking about 1, 2, 3 jobs. 2 jobs is okay, but 3 jobs, nah. After you get your 2 jobs, if you need it, 2 jobs, all right. Then you gotta start building a business. That's the only way out this so-called rat race. That shit is depressing. I don't know how people really go to work every day, Monday to Friday, 2 days off, and be happy like that, bro. I don't understand that. I really don't. Since I've got into investing, I've been trying to help people learn investing. Because everything, I'm not only talking about stocks. Like, there's a lot of investments that you can make. I put together a little ebook. You can get it, link in description. And my it's gonna be in the description or the bio. You go check that out. Free, it's free. Just go download, have a read, and leave me a nice review. And that's it. Because I think investing is really big, and that wasn't taught in schools. They don't teach us how to get further in schools. School teaches us how to be a good employee, not a good employer. They don't want us to be bosses. We got to get out that mindset. We got to shape our mindset to be better, to be leaders, not followers. YouTube is the biggest platform right now. Even Google owns YouTube. And it's just consistency. The same way how we go to work every day, same way we could pick up our phones and make these videos. You just gotta have a niche. And I'm ready to start and bring whoever's ready with me. Like we could really figure this out. I think I got it figured out, but time will tell. But we could really figure it out together, because no man stands alone. United we stand, divided we fall. You heard? Like, it's real out here. How is the 1% in control of the 99%? I don't understand that. I really don't get that. That's crazy to me. We got to get this fear out of our hearts, out of our minds. Like, we are our end goal and our start goal. It's all on us. Nothing is ever going to happen if we don't make it happen. You heard? Hit that like and subscribe, though. I'll come back with some more for y'all.